Hello, I'm Paul Jordan with Pioneer Title Agency, a proud member of the American Land Title Association. The purpose of this short video is to briefly summarize what we do as a title agency and the typical process followed when purchasing a home or real estate here in the state of Arizona. This is important if you're a first-time home buyer or if you're moving here from another state or country where their procedures, traditions, state, and local laws may differ from ours. In Arizona, most real estate purchases are facilitated through the professional services provided by a title agency, such as Pioneer Title. Title agencies in Arizona also perform the escrow process, which includes the preparation of the necessary documents such as the settlement statement and the necessary deeds for the transfer of ownership. We are employed to act as a neutral third party to the transaction, to carry out the terms of the contract and agreement between the parties. Most buyers employ a licensed realtor to walk them through the process of obtaining a loan pre-qualification from a lender, viewing properties, and writing a contract. Once you have an accepted offer from the seller, the clock starts ticking and you're on your way to buying your new home. Once the earnest money has been deposited with the title company, the escrow is open and we begin our process. Your earnest money should be in the form of a cashier's check or personal check and should be made payable to the title company. Pioneer Title Agency, like most title companies, cannot accept cash. During the contract period, many procedures are performed such as home inspections, appraisals, and requested repairs. At Pioneer Title, we will begin the title search of your property to discover what liens encumber the property, such as any existing mortgages, unpaid taxes, homeowner association fees, local assessments, and judgments, to name but just a few. We order payoffs and remedy these liens so that at the time of closing, the transfer of real estate is complete and you are insured clear title to your property. For these reasons I have just mentioned, it's extremely important that you have the full protection of an owner's title policy. The cost is minimal and just a one-time fee that is typically paid for by the seller. If you're obtaining financing to purchase your home, your lender will require you to pay for a lender's title policy to protect the lender's interest in the property. As our searches are conducted consecutively, we're able to reduce the costs of the lender's policy and pass these savings along to you and help lower your closing costs. It is important to pay close attention to your close of escrow date agreed to on the purchase contract, and that you and any others purchasing the property are available to sign and close. The closing process should be a well-orchestrated event. Any title issues should have been resolved. The lender has delivered any loan packages to the title company several days prior to the close of escrow date, and the title company has scheduled your signing appointment so that we can proceed with the transfer of ownership. All borrowers, will be required to provide a valid form of identification, such as a state-issued driver's license or government identification card or a U.S. passport at the signing appointment. Any additional closing funds required to complete the sale can be in the form of a cashier's check or wire transfer, so that there are no delays in the closing and that we are in keeping with Arizona's good funds laws. We will contact you, your realtor, and your lender prior to your appointment to go over the figures. During your appointment, you will sign all of the closing paperwork, such as the final settlement statement, any loan documents, and the warranty deed. A typical appointment signing takes approximately 90 minutes. This gives us ample time to carefully explain your paperwork and answer any questions that you may have. The sale is almost complete, but there are just a few more steps before you own your own home. Most often, the original and completed loan package will be returned to the lender for final review. Our title department will do what we call a final date down title search for any recent liens and encumbrances that may have just recently recorded. Once we have been reassured that we can issue clear and insurable title and your lender has reviewed the documents, your lender will typically wire us the funds, your borrowed amount, to complete the sale. Once all the steps have been completed and approved, we will now record with the appropriate county recorder's office. Upon successful recordation, you will be notified either by the title company or real estate agent that the property is now yours. Congratulations. We hope that this short video has been helpful in providing you with a basic overview of our state's closing process. Furthermore, when you decide to purchase your first or next home, then please consider Pioneer Title Agency to be your title company. Should you have any questions, then please contact one of our 50 offices across the state or visit our website at www.ptaaz.com. If you're searching for a title company for another state, then we recommend that you visit www.homeclosing101.org to find a company that is also a proud member of the American Land Title Association. Keep in mind that your realtor is also a great source to help answer any real estate questions that you may have. We hope that your home buying experience is a smooth and rewarding process, and we look forward to seeing you close here with us at Pioneer Title Agency. Thank you.